Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear 5th class students. Today discuss about length. See here from your course book, page number 32. Page number 32, 30 beta, sorry. Page number 30. A route map is given below with the distance between important places around Panjagutta across roads in Hyderabad. Answer the following questions based on the route map. See, this is the route map. Here Vishal is studying in HPS. He started from his school and reached Panjagutta crossroad. What the distance Vishal needs to travel to reach his house from there? See, look at the map. Vishal is at Panjagutta crossroad. Vishal ekkada unnadu beta? Panjagutta crossroad lo unnadu. Here Vishal is at Panjagutta crossroad. Panjagutta crossroads. Eye hospital is how many kilometers? Panjagutta crossroad to Eye hospital 3 kilometers. Eye hospital is 3 kilometers from where? Panjagutta crossroad. See here, the distance from Eye hospital to Vishal house is 400 meters. The distance from Eye hospital to Vishal's house is 400 meters. See here. This is Vishal's house. See here, from the distance Eye hospital to Vishal house 400 meters. So he needs to travel 3 kilometers plus 400 meters. That is equal to, you can write here, this is kilometer, this is meter, 3 kilometers. Meters means there is no number, means you can write 3 zeros. Next 400 meters. See here 0. 3 kilometers 400 meters. See, you can write here 3 kilometers 400 meters to reach his house. Reach house. Next, what is the distance between HPS and Vishal's house? This is Vishal's house. Where is HPS? Here. See, means look at the map. Distance between HPS and Panjagutta Class Road is 4 km. Vishal's HPS to Panjagutta Crossroads means this to this. How many kilometers? 4 kilometers. High Hospital is 3 kilometers from Panjagutta Crossroads. From Panjagutta Crossroads, High Hospital wait how many kilometers? 3 kilometers. Now next, the distance from High Hospital to Vishal's house is equals to 400 meters. Where High Hospital to Vishal house. So the total distance is from his school to his house 4 kilometers plus 3 kilometers plus 400 meters. You can get answer. See here, distance between HPS and Panjagutta Crossroads is 4 kilometers. Eye Hospital is 3 kilometers from Panjagutta Crossroad. Crossroads. Now next, the distance from Eye Hospital to Vishal's house. $400 meters. So the total distance from his school to his house is 4 kilometers plus 3 kilometers plus 400 meters. See here. So this is kilometer, this is meter, 4 kilometer, meters means you can write 3 zeros, there is no number. Next 3 kilometer, next plus 400 meter. So there is no kilometer means you can write 0. Here 0, 0, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 kilometer, 400 meter. Now next, Neha has 10 meter ribbon bundle with her. She is decorating her house for her brother's birthday. Neha has 10 meter ribbon bundle with her. Neha దగ్గర 10 meter ribbon bundle ఉంది. She is decorating for her house for her brother's birthday. ఆ బ్రదర్స్ వారి యొక్క బ్రదర్స్ బర్త్డేకు ఆమె ఏం చేస్తుంది, వాళ్ళ ఇల్లును డెకరేట్ చేస్తుంది. She cut a piece of ribbon of length 2 meter 80 centimeter. ఆమె ఏం చేసింది, ఒక్కొక్క పీస్ని 2 మీటర్ 80 సెంటీమీటర్ కట్ చేసింది బేట. ఇఫ్ షీ నీడ్స్ ఆల్ ద పీసెస్ టు బి ఆఫ్ ద సేమ్ సైజ్, ఆమె ఏమనుకుంటుందంటే అన్ని పీసెస్ కూడా ఒకటే సైజులో ఉండాలి, అన్నీ కూడా 2 మీటర్ 80 సెంటీమీటర్ ఉండాలి అనుకుంటుంది. హౌ మెనీ పీసెస్ కుడ్ షీ కట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ రబ్బన్ బండిల్, ఆ రబ్బన్ బండిల్ నుంచి ఎన్ని పీసెస్ చేయొచ్చు. See here, total 10 meter rubber. So first let us assume how many pieces? Nearly 3 pieces. Nearly 3 pieces. See here, you can assume that. Okay, did not given 3 pieces. See, did not give 3 pieces. So you can assume that. Here, length of, మీరు అనుకోవాలి బెటర్, యూ కెన్ అజ్యూమ్ దట్, హోప్ దట్. సీ హియర్, లెంత్ ఆఫ్ 3 pieces is equals to 2 meter 80 centimeter into 3. See, 2 meter 80 centimeter means meter is converted into centimeter, means meter is 2 meter is multiplied by 100, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 2 into 100 centimeter plus 80 centimeter into 3. See, Rasmus, here 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. See here, 2 into 100, 200 centimeter plus 80 centimeter into 3. See, 200 centimeter 80 centimeter, you can get 280 centimeter into 3. See, you can do 280 into 3. 300, 3 8s are 24. 4 taking, carrying 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, you can get 8. What we get beta? 840 centimeter. 840 centimeter. Now next, length of 4 pieces. Length of 4 pieces is equals to 2 meter 80 centimeter into 4 beta. So 2 meter 80 centimeter, it can be written as 280 centimeter into 4. So here 280 into 4, 400, 4 8s are 32, 2 is taking, carrying 3 beta, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, you can get 11. So what we get? 1120 centimeter. 1120 centimeter. See, but he had a 10 meter ribbon bundle. 10 meter means, 10 meter is converted into meter, means 10 into 100, you can get 1000. See here, 1000 means here 840 centimeter is less than 1000 and 1120 centimeter greater than 1000. So how many pieces? So approximately 3 pieces. See here, one 120 centimeter is more than 1000 centimeter. So she cannot she cannot cut 4 pieces. देखो, so the total length of the ribbon bundle is equals to 1000 centimeter. 840 centimeter is smaller than 1000 centimeter. So she can cut 3 equal pieces. Of 2 meter 80 centimeter length from the ribbon bundle. Next, Neha cut another 3 meter 45 centimeter long ribbon from the current bundle. After cutting 2 meter 80 centimeter ribbon initially, what will be the length of the remaining bundle? See here, length of the current bundle, ribbon bundle is equals to 720 centimeter, means 1000 minus 280. You can get 720 centimeter. Length of the cut ribbon piece is equals to 3 meter 45 centimeter, means 345 centimeter. So length of the remaining bundle is 720 centimeter minus 345 centimeter. See, next one question. See, Neha cut another 3 meter 45 centimeter long ribbon from the current bundle. Current bundle means see here, length of the current ribbon bundle is equals to 720 centimeter. How you can get it? See here. But there are 10 meters ribbon ఉంది కాబట్టి see here. So the total length of the ribbon is equals to 1000 centimeter beta. So you can cut 2 meter 80 centimeter. Only one piece you can cut. 2 meter 80 centimeter means 280 centimeter. So you can get 720 centimeter. See here, length of the cut ribbon piece is equals to, according to our problem, 3 meter 45 centimeter. So 3 meter is converted into centimeter, means 3 into 100 centimeter plus 45 centimeter. You can get 3 into 100, 300 centimeter plus 45 centimeter. You can get 345 centimeter. So the length of remaining ribbon bundle is equals to 720 centimeter minus 345 centimeters. See here, only centimeters, there is no meter. 720, 345. See 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 32 1, borrowing 11 minus 4, 7, 36, 6 minus 3, 3. So you can get 375 centimeter. Now, see here. Next question. This time Neha cut another 2 meter 65 centimeter long ribbon from the current bundle. What will be the length of the remaining ribbon? See here, the length of the current ribbon bundle. Third time. Length of the current means present beta. Is equals to 375 centimeter. Length of the cut ribbon piece is equals to 2 meter 65 centimeter so it can be written as 2 into 100 centimeter plus remaining 65 centimeter. 2 into 100 200 centimeter plus 65 centimeter. You can get 265 centimeter. So the length of the remaining ribbon is equals to remaining means 375 centimeter minus 265 centimeter. See here, 375 265. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 6 1, 3 minus 2 1. You can get, see here, 100 centimeter. In it, from right to left side, first two digits goes to centimeter, the remaining is goes to meter. So 1 meter in centimeter. Now next, let us know about a few lengthy roads in India. Indian national highways connected every major city of India from north to south and east to west. Length of the top 5 highways are given below. Here, name NH27. NH means National Highway. NH27, 3,507 kilometer. Next, NH30, 2,010 kilometers. NH44, 3,745 kilometer. NH48, 2,807 kilometer. NH52, 2,317 kilometer. Based on their lengths, arrange the roads from the longest to the shortest. Means longest to shortest means descending order. See, listen carefully, beta. Longest to shortest. See, the big number is 3,745 kilometer greater than 3,507 kilometer greater than 2,807 kilometer greater than 2,317 kilometer greater than 2,010 kilometer. See here, 3,745 kilometer. NH44. Next, 3,507. NH27. Next, 2,807. NH48. Next, 2,317 kilometers. NH52. Next, last one, 2,010 kilometers. NH30. NH means National Highway. See here, the longest highway in India is, so the longest highway in India is, see, NH44 with 3,745 kilometers length is the longest highway in India. Next, the length of NH 27 27 in meters beta is dash. See here, we know that we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Yesterday I told. Here NH27 is 3507 kilometer long. Kilometer long. So kilometer is converting to meter. We have take multiplication with 1000. Means 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Big to small. So here 3507 kilometer, that is equals to 3507 into 1000 meters. Any number is multiplied with 1000, you can write 3 zeros after the given number directly. Did you understand? So here we can write 3507. This is original number, means you can write 3 zeros. Now next, how much longer is NH52 than NH30? See here, since NH52, how many kilometers beta? 2317 kilometer. 2317 kilometer minus NH30, 2010 kilometers. So do 2370, 2010. 7 minus 0, 7, 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. 307 kilometers. So you can get 307 kilometers. So NH, National Highway 52 is 307 kilometer longer than NH30. Now next, how much shorter is NH48 than NH27? Since NH48 2807 kilometers, NH27 3507. See here, 2807 is subtracted from 3,507 kilometer you can get answer. Since 3,507 kilometer minus 2,807 kilometer. See here, 3,507, 2,807. 7 minus 7, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 8, not possible. Take borrowing. 15, it can also here 2. 15 minus 8, 7. 2 minus 2, 0. So you can get 700 kilometers. NH27 is 700 kilometer shorter than NH48. Okay, thank you everybody.